Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. Start by disconnecting the negative battery and removing the engine cover. Release belt tension and remove the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Unplug the electrical connectors and remove mounting bolts holding the alternator. Lift the old unit free and compare mounting points. Install the new alternator, torque bolts to spec, reconnect wiring, reinstall. With the battery disconnected, relieve belt tension using a long breaker bar on the tensioner. Slide the belt off the alternator pulley and move it clear of the engine. Unplug the main harness and the small signal connector, then remove the mounting bolts while supporting the alternator with your other hand. Carefully extract the alternator from its bracket, watching clearance around hoses and intake components, and set it aside for comparison with the new unit. Install the replacement alternator by aligning it in the bracket and hand-threading mounting bolts to avoid cross-threading. Torque bolts to factory specification and reconnect the main power cable and signal connector. Reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it tracks correctly on every pulley and has proper tension. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and check charging voltage with a multimeter to confirm the alternator is charging around 8 to 14, 6 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.